Today we demystify Monero. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrencies every day. Today, just taking a look at the market. Bitcoin right around $11,789. That's insane to me. Already before the year's end, approaching $12,000 per coin. Keep your eye on that. You know, it's going up. People say, people's expectations, we're hoping to get to 10,000 a coin by the end of December, but we're past that. We're surpassing what people have predicted, and that's awesome. Ethereum floating around the $480 mark. Litecoin steady over $100 now, which is really awesome. Taking a look at Bitconnect coin, $330. I think they had a new all-time high of $334, so their market cap is back up to over $1 billion, looking good. For those of you that were leery about Bitconnect coin, right now we're sitting at a really stable place, so that's awesome. Today, though, I want to talk about Monero, sitting at the number 10 spot with a $3 billion market cap and around $205 a coin. What is Monero? I've had some people ask, what is this? It seems a lot like Zcash, but it's actually something different. So we'll take a look at Monero's site here. It's a cryptocurrency, decentralized, so it's secure. Every transaction is approved through like a public blockchain, but like Zcash, Monero is super private. So they hide and keep private the sender and receiver data, and they keep private the transaction amount. So it's an untraceable currency. It's private by default in its current state, but you can choose to be transparent with it. People are using it a lot for, let's say they're hiding transactions. They don't want anything public. Maybe a business is making a deal with another business and they don't want this deal public, or they don't want the amount of money public for it. It's not necessarily only for criminal activity. A lot of people just like their privacy, and so there are cryptocurrencies now that are fitted for those people who want to keep everything on the down low, keep everything private, hidden, and their business private, and that's really understandable. The only downside to these coins is a lot of illegal activity does take place. Since these are untraceable amounts, I could get Monero and pay for illegal things. So that's just something to keep an eye on with Monero. We'll see what the future holds for it. It's got a lot of hype. There's mining companies, Genesis Mining. You can go mine Monero. But for the most part, it's a private digital currency. So there's the ones like Bitcoin that are completely public. You can go watch the transactions going through, seeing who the address of the sender, the receiver, the amount of Bitcoin going through. Monero is a lot more private. Only you control and are responsible for your funds. So it's really, good, secure as well. I mean, with the privacy comes a lot of security. I can imagine there's a lot less theft and stuff going on when no one really knows how much you have. The risk to try to hack or steal from you is down if they are unsure how much they can get from you. So everything's, kept private from prying eyes. So that's Monero, guys, sitting at, $205 a coin. They're up 7.63%. We can take a look at their chart here. So they've been going up and up. Let's do a year to date here. So starting, back in January of 17, right around $7-8 a coin at the beginning of the year. They've seen a huge increase this year, up to $205, so it's definitely moving up. I wouldn't really call it a bullish market just by the amount of sideways going on here, and you can see some of these lows are lower than past lows, and then it's having these big spikes and drops, but it's an average market. It's still moving up. We've seen a lot of bullish activity lately. If we look probably the last month or so, let's do the last 3 months. Yeah, so here's a lot of bullish activity going up here, but before this it was pretty flat with a couple peaks and stuff. So that's something to keep your eye on. Alright, aside from that, we're doing another Bitconnect Reinvest today. I've got $12.15 in my lending wallet, so let's go ahead and look at our total investment right now. So our total investment is $410. It's active. Our total earned, we've got 62, 14 earned. So this is gonna be my sixth $10 reinvest. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's get that in there. There we go. Total $10 reinvest. I'll have $2.15 left over in my wallet. Capital released after 299 days. Let's go ahead and give the page a quick refresh. And if we go down to our total investment now, we should be at $420. So for all you 420 fans, that's for you. Other than that, we can kind of take a look at the volatility software for those of you interested in how this past week has been. It actually, you know, we've had 2 days over 1.2%. The rest have been pretty low, but that's fine because it's still daily money, it's still daily passive income. So that's that. So if you're wanting to sign up for Bitconnect, there's a link down below. You can join. I'm giving 50% of all referral bonuses back to those who sign up under me and that invest. So check that out, guys. It's a great program where you can follow me here to see my journey on it. Aside from that, been active in Sierra Hash lately. I've got about 12,600 gigahertz a second now just from reinvesting. We're 18 days into the server. Again, not sure how long this thing's gonna last, but it's still early, so it's a great time to get in, invest. You know, I invested $16, my first investment, and now I've just reinvested, and I'm making about $30 a day. This is actually, I withdraw every day now, and I'm withdrawing about, today I'll probably be, by the time I can withdraw, about $40. So that's really awesome, between $35 and $40 a day. Great passive income. Like I said, I'm not sure how this is going to last, but, you can get in, you can start buying. The buy-in, let's see if we look at the buy power here. To buy in, okay, right now the minimum deposit's $11.70, just because of the price of Bitcoin going up. So yeah, guys, check it out. There's a link also down below for Sierra Hash. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for checking out what MONERO is. Thanks for following me on my Bitconnect journey, my Sierra Hash journey. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know what programs you guys are using or what you're investing in cryptocurrency-wise down below. If you learned something new this video, be sure to like, comment any questions you have, comment what you're doing. Just let me know how you're doing. Say hi on the page. And be sure to hit that subscribe button right above here. Alright, guys, thanks for watching today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.